Hey everyone, Couch Investor back to another earnings video for today. So let's discuss SoFi, another crushing quarter. To be honest, it's to be expected, right? They've been crushing it each and every quarter. Obviously, if you are watching the stock price, you might have thought that the company is not executing right and the company is, well, going out of business. But that cannot be further from the truth. At the time of making this video, not that this makes anything any different, but the stock is up 10% before the market opens because, again, another great quarter and the stock is just, well, was demolished month after month, but the company keeps executing. So we're going to go over the earnings report. I also want to mention a couple of, well, news with regards to the company, such as Galileo and Technisys redefine the digital banking customer experience with Cyberbank Digital as a service. So Cyberbank Digital is a robust end-to-end solution that empowers financial institutions and fintechs to create and deliver exceptional digital-first tailored customer journeys with the one option to integrate conversational AI capabilities across all devices and conversational apps with speed and scale. Another great product to offer. Obviously, Galileo is an acquisition from SoFi. Technisys is an acquisition from SoFi as well. And now they're launching this product together. Then we also had the announcement from Bindable. So they're excited to announce that they're working with SoFi, the digital personal finance company. Leveraging Bindable's platform, SoFi will offer their members direct access to relevant offers via a SoFi branded online choice marketplace for auto, home, condo, and renters insurance. So yes, you might say this might be competing with Lemonade. And now before we go and look at the actual report, would really appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not. And if you want to support me and this channel, do check out all the links down in the description and in the pinned comment, or go to fool.com/couchinvestor. So, members, it continues to grow at a tremendous pace. Right now we're sitting at 4.7 million new members. That's up 61% year over year. Now it's 61% growth, over 96% growth, over 74% growth. So it's really, well, they're gathering momentum. Then the products line continues to grow as well, 69% growth year over year to just short of 7.2 million new products, which we're going to see in just a bit why that's important because, well, yes, SoFi at first, I'm just going to scroll to that right now. So SoFi, yes, at first was very concentrated with lending products. Right now, as you can see here, each and every year, well, continues to diversify towards a more financial services. Then you can see it's now, well, more than 4.6 times that of the total lending products. So everybody's saying that SoFi is going out of business because of the student loan moratorium. That's not the case anymore. And of course, Galileo continues to grow as well. Exceptional part of the company that reached 124 million accounts, grew 40% year over year. That's over 81% and over 133% growth. So tremendous growth there as well. And again, Galileo's part of the business to me can be worth as much as SoFi today in the future. And this is maybe a better visualization of the point I was making before. You can see here on the left lending products. Yes, it has grown, but if you look at financial services product, well, it has just outpaced it by quite a lot. And as for the general numbers here, so quarterly adjusted net revenue sits at $419 million. That grew 51% year over year. And quarterly adjusted EBITDA, well, they crushed it there. That's up 332% year over year to $44 million. Huge increase quarter over quarter as well, which is going to impact their, well, full year outlook in a positive way. As you can see right here on the annual adjusted net revenue, we're now at $1.37 billion in the last 12 months. And for annual adjusted EBITDA, we're sitting at $78 million, which is right below their full year outlook for adjusted EBITDA. So they're already at that level at the end of Q3. And the outlook, which you can see right here, is again an increase because this was the prior outlook, which was also updated, by the way, on the upside. Now we're going up another % at the low and at the high end. And as for adjusted EBITDA and adjusted EBITDA margin, they expected 6 to 7%. Now it's 8%. And adjusted EBITDA also a bump of around $10 million there. Now, of course, I have not forgotten this time, so share-based compensation has increased year over year by quite a lot actually, but to be honest, if it can continue to grow like this, growth outpacing share-based compensation, then it's quite okay, let's say. But of course, over time, you would like to see share-based compensation normalize a bit. And so to conclude, what can I say? Another crushing quarter from management and from the company, and it really shows the strength of SoFi because it is so diversified, because it has so many products, because it has Galileo, Technisys, because it can offer better rates, better yields to their customers. All of that together, obviously at first it has cost them money to build up to this point. But right now they're in such a good place that, well, you can see, well, the results speak for themselves. They keep outperforming each and every quarter. It's really a tremendously well-run company. They keep crushing it. Yes, I'll repeat it, share-based compensation is still high, but at the company's rate of growth, right now, it's still okay. But of course, I would like it to be a bit lower going forward. But right now, really nothing to complain about. Of course, if you just look at the stock price and not at the business, then you have a lot to complain about, especially if you bought it higher. Well, most people probably bought it higher, but over the long term, you're buying here a tremendously well-run business that will only get better from here, right? Because starting 2023, student loans are coming back, which will be a tailwind for the business. So that's about it for this video. Obviously, do share your thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.